The backbone of the vaccine industry is aborted fetal cell tissue. In other words, you can't make a vaccine unless you have it. You have to have either animal or human cells to build the vaccine on for it to be accepted by the body. So if you don't believe in abortion, there is no way you can take a vaccination because you're either going to get a baby boy fetal cell tissue or a baby girl fetal cell tissue. Okay, so that's a problem I'm going to address with you in a moment. The second is there are so many unclean animal cells in different vaccines. Not every single one. There's a listing on Wikipedia as well as the CDC site of all the ingredients that they're letting you know of in the vaccines. And if you go down through that list, you're going to see there's crab DNA, chicken DNA, monkey DNA, horse DNA, and more. So you're taking those in through the vaccine. I feel that's unclean. And on top of that, there's so many chemicals in the actual vaccines that if you personally injected them into your child one by one, you'd be arrested for attempted murder because of the effects of those different chemicals. It's very, very serious. So the other aspect from the first point that I made, when you get these vaccines and they have aborted fetal cell tissue from a little boy or a little girl, if you inject the one for a little boy into a girl, that DNA actually grows. So now you've got probably what's causing gender confusion. Or if you inject the little girl one into a little boy, that DNA grows. And they've actually seen a third strand of DNA. You normally have two strands of DNA. But in some of these children that have had multiple vaccines, they found a third strand of DNA. So now you've got a boy having some traits crossing over that maybe he's a girl, or a girl thinking, maybe I'm a boy." So I think that's the basis, I think, for gender confusion. I really do. So that's from a Bible standpoint. The Bible calls these different animal things, DNA, abominations, especially if they're unclean. How can we take those into our body? We're not supposed to. We're supposed to stay away from them and isolate those from our body.